English outfit head wrap tutorial. Let's get started.
Deck baby.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. Today I want to show you how to do this simple head wrap wearing your English outfit. You can't use gele on some outfits, but this material I have here with me is called net material. So the reason I slow motion this particular part, I do a slow motion for you to see the way you see, just focus. You see, now I turn into slow motion for you to understand how I achieve this particular style. See, just focus your eye on my hands. This style, you can achieve it in less than 2 minutes. In less than 2 minutes. So the length of this net is 5 yard net. This net, you can get all colors of your choice, and you can get it in any material, cloth material shop. You see the way I bring out my hand, you take it, you bring it out. You take it, you bring it out. So the reason I like this style, you do this style on top of your wig. You can put on your wig on and do this style on top. There are some, when you are going to church, you are going to some occasion, you just want to do some head wrap. So this head wrap is very classic for English outfit. Okay, my people. So in case you don't like this style, I have a lot of style on my YouTube channel, more than 600 videos. Go and rock my YouTube channel. It's the same name, Deck Beauty. Instagram, Deck Beauty. Follow me on my Instagram, Deck Beauty. TikTok, Deck Beauty. Facebook, I have 2 Facebook pages. This one waiting for the watch me, so is Deck Beauty. I have another one which is Deck Beauty Life. That Deck Beauty Life news, that is where I share different educating videos. And if you have any story, like anything that you want me to share out to people over there, you can share me your story, then I will share it out. Okay, this is the final. As you can see, this style is very classic and very easy to achieve. Now you place it on your head. The reason my wig will shift back, I tied it before. My little boy, the way it take bend in hands, I said we are going to repeat it again. So I did not even remember to push my wig forward. See the way I just knot it at the back. Just focus. See, you just drag it, pull it, then tucking it inside. That's it. That is it. It's finished. In case you see me for the first time, I'm based here in United Kingdom, London. I'm a makeup artist. I'm available to travel all over the world. My people, book me for your events. I do photo shoot here. I have studio here in London. If you want to have your birthday photo shoot, children photo shoot, husband and wife photo shoot, all type of photo shoot. I train people as well how to do makeup on their face. You want to learn how to do gele by yourself. But in case you cannot come to me, I always do live stream teaching people on Deck Beauty how to achieve it on yourself. Operation, do it yourself. Do your gele by yourself. Do your makeup by yourself. Look popping and look beautiful. Yes, so this is the final. When you know how to do everything by yourself, you have that confidence. You see, my people, keep learning. Don't stop learning. Yes, so this is the final. My number is always at the end of all my video. Contact me. I sell makeup product as well. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.
Looking good and looking nice.
Deck Beauty. Don't miss the opportunity, just call on
Deck Beauty.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that Deck Beauty is only specializing in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in Deck Beauty studio, we are also specializing in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeup, gele time, and a lot more. Just call on Deck Beauty and she'll be